What's up, guys? JAKE100 here. Jack. Oh, huh? So today I'm at Bike Shack. I'm building up a brand spanking new C100 frame. I'm trying to have my bike super fresh for Bikestormz. So yeah, I'm building up a brand new C100 frame today. Look, got a fresh orange one right here. Got my guy Elvis over there fixing bikes. Jeez. So yeah, I got also got some new RockShox. I ain't had RockShox for a minute. I snapped my other ones, yeah. Send them back to RockShox, and guess what? Guess what, Jack? What? They didn't even warranty them.
They didn't know money back.
They didn't give me money or new pair of RockShox.
That's it. That's Jack.
So I had to buy ones off little Javi that he bought and that he'd never use. So yeah, I'm about to build up my new bike. Show you a bit of that process. Probably make a little montage, and I'm gonna hit the streets, make sure everything's feeling nice and fresh for Bikestormz on Saturday. Yes, T.
You know what, if you can just put it on the inside for me and then that'll be alright.
Yeah,
What is that?
BMX out of the way.
What is it?
Yeah, it's part of the waters.
Oh. I'm gonna get my Beats pill out, slap that on Jack's car, bang some tunes, enjoy the sun, linking up with the boys in a bit. I think Dan Stunts from Amsterdam is down in London today, ready for Bikestormz, so probably link up with him, show him around London a bit, and yeah, hopefully have a good day. And I should hopefully, not hopefully, I keep saying hopefully, I don't know, later I will be getting some sick clips for you as well, so make sure you stay tuned and enjoy this video.
Let's get crazy!
Just stripped down my old frame, put a new one up in the stand. I've got to switch over a bunch of the parts now. And bruv, this English weather, man, it's just started raining. And now, oh man, the Bike Shack is so busy right now, yeah, I can't even work inside. And now it's just started raining, and I'm like, oh, don't know what to do. I might just crack on in the rain, but yeah, I'm excited to see this frame. I love my C100 frame so much, man. I'm so happy with how it came out, and well, I just want to ride, yo. I just want to ride this new frame, but yeah, let's hopefully this rain doesn't stop me for too long. You're using it right.
Oh shit.
So yeah, stripped off the old one, on the new one, just put the new derailleur on, just gave it a little clean. I'm gonna give all my parts a clean, so my bike basically feels brand new. What should I do next? I need to cut the forks down. I've got new forks. Oh yeah, have you seen my new forks, Pete?
You got new forks? No way.
The RockShox.
Oh my god.
Freshies, but obviously I need to cut this down because this is longer than my future, bro.
You mean your PG.
Right,
PG.
if this wasn't longer than my yeah, then it would be a serious problem, you know. So we're good. Yeah, I need to cut this down. Just need to crack on with it. I wanna go ride. So yeah, it had Z cranks on, but I liked my SLX crank, so I'm just gonna clean these ones up, whack them on, and carry on smashing out this bike build.
What you gotta do?
I just switched over the crown race, gotta chop this shit down, put that in, then set up the bike, yo. And I just heard like that he's coming Bikestormz.
Oh shit.
So I just put the forks in, put the bars on. This shifter was snapped, so I'm gonna take the new shifter that Javi had on them other handlebars, put them on, set the gears up, put the wheels on, put the chain on, and then what? We're done. These, I'm gassed with these. I ain't had RockShox in a minute. I had some dirty old school rock shocks, but these ones looking fire.
It's a dirty old school.
Yeah. Cracking on, almost done, almost done. I'm gonna catch up with you when I'm pretty much finished off.
Jax is nearly done as well.
I think I'm done.
All done?
I think I'm done for today, at least.
It's looking dirty
So
though.
I've built the fresh frame, got the new rock shocks on it. Basically, my front hope hub, yeah, is moving mudadoo right now, yeah. There's like, it stops real quick. I've replaced the bearings multiple times. I think the actual casing of the bearing casing, some
deep
technical
down,
word, in it, that relates to the hub, yeah.
some malarkey.
Means that it never spins for like long, and it always feels a bit rough, and there's a bit of play in it. So I've ordered a front hope hub, and then I've got a rim to match my back rim because I had to put a new rim from when I folded my wheel in Barcelona. So I'm gonna build up the front wheel to the same as the back one with a fresh hub on Thursday, and then I'm Bikestormz ready. But for now, I've done as much as I can do today. Got a fresh shifter, fresh forks, fresh frame. Feeling it's looking good, boy. What, should I get a little clip?
Get it, hit it up.
Gotta make sure.
Gotta make sure it's like,
Sounds good.
it's worthy for the road.
Obviously, you know, the seat has to go down.
Of course that's worthy for the road actually.
No, I gotta make sure that it feels the way I want it to.
Yeah.
That it's set up, you know, everything's in the right position. I think it will because I'm a bit of a natural. Let's see what's saying. You see that?
What did it move?
Yeah, it's not tight enough. When I stood on the seat, it spun. So that was it. I think everything else feels super nice. The forks feel fucking amazing, Beaver.
They do
I ain't
look
had
really
this
nice.
quality forks for a minute.
They look banging.
Banging. Look. Nice and swingy. Oh, they feel lighter as well. They're much lighter. What, a quick death spin for them?
Quick dash spin. Quick double dash spin.
Double, first try, yeah?
First try.
You're calling me out. I didn't want to hit Jack's over.
Oh yeah, no, the My G would have got whacked.
First try right here.
Jeez. Normal.
So the bike's built. I'm gonna show you guys a little montage of the bike now. Let's go straight into that. So right now I just linked up with the pack, riding over Tower Bridge. We're gonna go Primrose Hill. I need to switch the memory card from this to my gimbal, and yeah, about to get a sick little edit in and show you some of the ride. I'll catch back up with you at Primrose. So yeah, that was all for today. We just finished off at Wingstop. You know, they hooked me on a black card, so I just fed the whole team real quick. Got my guy Dan Stunts from Amsterdam.
Yeah, man.
He's out here. He's come out here for Bikestormz. I'm so hyped for Bikestormz. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my bike build. And then that edit, we were riding through the city. The energy was high today with the roads up, you know. So have a good night, ride safe. Make sure you subscribe as well. And yeah, I'll see you next video, probably at Bikestormz. Guys.